You should press that big red button.
What's wrong with you? Green grass.
I need to pee. I need to pee. I need to pee.
Oh my god, Ray, you're like a freaking toddler.
I need to pee.
Old ass.
Whatever.
Wow, we're really going on.
Oh my god, we get back row again. Oh, no we don't. We get this one.
It's not even that big of a deal.
I want back row. We're locked in, bro. Bro, we're like so locked in right now, bro.
Oh my god, stop.
Oh my god, bro.
Thank you. Look, I still have my times from yesterday. Because I still write on my leg, like in Sharpie.
Oh, I used to write on my arm. It didn't really work, but it made me at least feel better. I don't know. Because dude, I couldn't remember anything.
I feel like it works really well.
Yeah.
It helps me remember like
Yeah, but I didn't think about that until like later on in my career. Like literally like like 3 races before I like left. So, you know. What was wrong?
No, I'm just scared my glasses are gonna come off.
Oh, okay.
The dance awakens, my power grows.
You're like, I'm just like so surprised how many rides we have been able to like ride so far.
Yeah. We've gotten like 2, haven't we?
We've already run Road 2, and it's been like an hour.
Yeah.
Like that's really good.
Yeah.
And we're not even counting the like fact that like we were screwing around for the first like.
Yeah.
On these mortals now.
Hi, Cobra. I don't like it either. Wee. Oh no. Hey, look, there's the sky scream thingy. Woo. Hey, look, there's Montu. Yeah, Montu. Good. I like that. That was actually not bad. That's pretty good. No. No.
Yeah.
I don't know, man.
Okay, but where do you want to go now?
Maybe Tigris.
Please lift up on your lap bar, watch your step, and exit to your left,
What?
taking all personal belongings with you. Thank you.
What's wrong with
If the
Tigris?
wait time is like 15 minutes at Cheetah, do you want to go in a minute?
Sure.
Okay. I just gotta put my phone back and my stuff because I don't really trust like.
Why do you not like Tigris?
Is it goes backwards?
Dude, we just went backwards, man.
It's different. This is more like a kiddie ride.
Alright, if you don't want to, I won't force you. It's okay, man. You don't have to.
Eat the grass.
Ew.